Hi everyone, it's that time of the year where we celebrate love and affection. Welcome to our Valentine week special. Well, this week we'll be taking through a journey of different days of Valentine week, starting with Rose Day, followed by Propose Day, Chocolate Day, Teddy Day, Promise Day, Hug Day, Kiss Day, and finally the big day, Valentine Day. The entire week is busy. For Rose Day, we'll be showing you some creative ways to surprise your loved ones with beautiful bouquet of roses. From a romantic picnic to a surprise delivery, there are endless possibilities. Well, you can make this day a special day for your loved ones by just gifting a beautiful rose which you can pick from any of the stores available nearby you. Or you can just go to a garden and pluck a rose and just gift it. It'll make your loved one's day. Now, on Propose Day, which is the next day after the Rose Day, you can go and make your proposal special and memorable. Whether it's a grand public proposal or a sweet, intimate moment, let's make it a very special moment for our loved ones. For that, you need to plan a bit. If you want, you can purchase gifts as per your budget, and also you can gift certain items which will eventually be a sign of your proposal, maybe a ring or any jewelry which you want to give to your loved ones. If he's your boyfriend, you can gift him a watch or maybe a ring as well. Well, the next comes the chocolate day. Well, this is the most favorite day of all of us, wherein not only your loved ones but also kids enjoy. It's indulging in some home sweet treats with your loved ones. From homemade chocolates to an elaborate chocolate picnic, you can make this day special for your loved ones. Next comes the Teddy Day. Now, this is a perfect opportunity to show your loved ones how much you care. You can have numerous ideas to celebrate this day with your kids, with your wife, with your parents, with your children, and special loved ones. Next comes the Promise Day, which is all about making promises to your loved ones, whether it's a promise to be there for them through thick and thin, or for a promise that you will always support them. You can make a promise which you will eventually fulfill all your life. Now, Hug Day is the perfect time to give your loved ones a warm embrace and a hug which they will remember all their life. Well, we'll be sharing some of the ideas wherein you can just go and gently grab your loved ones, just hold them to your heart and tell them how much you love them. Kiss Day is all about sealing the deal with a girlfriend or a boyfriend, and where from a sweet peck on the cheek to a passionate kiss, you can have your way to celebrate this kiss day. And finally, it's the Valentine Day, the day to celebrate love and affection. Whether it's a candlelight dinner, a romantic gateway, or simply spending quality time together, we'll give you some ideas on how to make this day special. So that's all for the Valentine week special. Make sure that you enjoy this entire week and celebrate with your loved ones the way you want it. I hope you loved this video. If you loved it, just click the subscribe button, like and share this video.